February is Black History Month. Black History Month is a time of rejoicing, celebrating, and thanking those African Americans for giving everyone hope and life lessons that can be used forever. You are going to complete a Black History Month research project this week. You will be ending up with a famous Black American biography. On slide 2, you will choose who you are going to research. Research means you are going to find out facts and interesting information about this person. When you are writing about a person and their life, that is called a biography. So for slide 2, you will choose who you are going to write about and tell me why. In the first green box, you will explain what you already know about this person, and in the second green box, you will ask questions that you have about this person. On slide 3, you are going to fill in this graphic organizer to find information about the person that you choose. At the top, you will write the name of the person, you will write the date they were born, the day they died, if they have died. Why is this person famous? What lessons can you learn from this person's experiences? What have they done and can you learn from them? And then 3 interesting facts that stand out about this person. And then your character traits. Remember, character traits describe people or characters in a story. So your character traits are going to be important characteristics that this person has. Were they brave? Were they strong? Were they outspoken? Were they shy? Tell me about this person. Then you're going to put a picture of your person here. You can find that picture within a Epic book or collection. You can find it on Google with your teacher's help as well. On slide 4, you will begin writing a biography draft. This is where you are writing out your own story about this person's life. You are going to use your research from slide 2 and 3 to write a draft of your biography on a piece of paper. Your first paragraph, or the beginning of your story, should be about your person, when they were born, where they were born, maybe some information about their family and about their childhood, how they grew up. The second paragraph, or the middle of the story, should be maybe if you know where they went to school or what they're known for. What was their big contribution to the United States or the world? What made them a famous Black American? How did they change the world? What were their accomplishments? Then you are also going to put in paragraph 3, or the end of your story, interesting facts about this person, the things that stood out to you about this person. You could also write when and where this person died, if they have died. And then your closing statement or your closing sentence or final sentence can be why you chose to write about this person. After you are finished writing on your piece of paper, you will take a picture of your draft and put it here using the camera tool. To finish up your project, on slide 5, you will take your draft, make corrections if you need it, and then you will type your final paper here. Where it says biography of, put the name of your person, and then by and your name. Do your very best. Make sure you're starting your sentences with capital letters and ending your sentences with a period or some kind of punctuation. This project is not due until Thursday. Take your time to complete this project. A suggestion is to complete slides 2 and 3 on Tuesday, complete your draft on Wednesday, and type your final paper or your final biography on Thursday. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your teacher to point you in the right direction to find the information about the person that you choose. Have fun and enjoy learning about these famous Black Americans.